Welcome back to the Ogoni class, episode 3. Welcome to today's English class in Ogoni. So today I want to teach you names of things in Ogoni language. Names of things in Ogoni language. If this is your first time on my channel, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. This is my own little way of contributing to promoting the Ogoni language. I love my people. I love Ogoni. Let's go. Bring your children front. Bring your children. Let them learn how to speak the Ogoni language and the names of things in Ogoni. The first thing on the board here we have book, which is ba. Book is called ba. Book is called ba. We have hair, which is called zia. We have hair, which is called zia. We have here pot, which is called ban. Pot, which is called ban. We have plate, which is called elala. Elala. Elala is called plate. Plate is called elala. Here we have fork, which is called fe, which is called ezazabewi bubu. Ezazabewi bubu is called fork. Ezazabewi bubu is called fork. Here we have chair, which is called kasi. Kasi is called chair. Kasi is called chair. Here we have water. Water is called ma. Water is called ma. Here we have bucket. We have bucket. It's called elalabiramabu. Elalabiramabu is called bucket. Biramabu. Elalabiramabu is called bucket. Here we have broom. Broom, which is called esan. Esan is called broom. Esan is called broom. Esan is called broom. Here we have fan, which means nuawe file tolone. The other back and if the tolone, the other one could have AC, the other one could have fan. So eluama, look at the table, do fia. Look at one fan. Look at the duster. Duster. No singa your dan. Do so my imnuama. So no singa your dan. Duster. Duster. Look at my duster. No singa your dan. This is duster. No singa your dan. No singa your dan. And back over emnu so no singa your dan. Do no singa your dan kuda duster. Here, center table. Center table. Casidenunyo. Casidenunyo. Casidenunyo center table. Kiama. Slippers. Pakato. Slippers. Kula. Paikato. Pakato. Bottle. Elolo. Bottle. Elolo. Bottle. Elolo. Bottle. Elolo. Yes, you are following. Mat is called bui. Mat is called bui. Yes, we are flowing, we are going. Mat is called bui. Mat is called bui. Let's come back to sun. Sun is called dui. Sun is called dui. Sun is called dui. Rice. Bubekena rice aí. Bukana. Bakule ye ziakon. Ziakon. Ena rice. Ziakon. Or kule ye elosi. Ida elosi. Elosi rice nage. So rice. Bakule ye ziakon. Even though they say bakwane ko. Do we do ziakon? So ako elosi na bako. So ako rice. Na bako. Rice. Ziakon. Rice, ziakon. We have beans. Mena so na ko na Facebook and language. We so na ko na Facebook and language. Neya so na ko na we start to drop at the comment section. Beans. Ebook and language. Ena use ya beke neya so Emini, beans, ebukana. How to drop in the comment section. Yam. Yam. Nazia. Yam. Zia. Yam. Kura. Zia. Drink. Me. Drink. Me. Na drink. Me. Drink. Goat. Pay. Goat. Pay. Goat. Pay. Spoon. Bubu. Spoon. Bubu. Yes, you are going. Spoon. Bubu. Then we have light. Mia. Light. Mia. Light. Mia. This light. Elebaka Mia. Mia dalu. And Mia air top. So this light. Mia air top. That's light. Then Kian wire. Ezin so Mia. Ezin Mia. I so much enjoy this class. So if you enjoy this Ogoni class, share this video, push it. Thank you very much.